Hi, this is Jeremy Bradshaw from MarineMax Venice, and this is one of our brand new Boston Whaler 27 Vantage. The 27 in this size range has been probably one of our best sellers. This is a great family boat. You can also fish off it. You've got plenty of performance with the big Verados right here, 300 horsepower apiece. So what we'll do, we'll kind of go through the boat and I'll point out some of the factory options. The 300 horse white Verados is definitely a factory option. She does have the underwater lights, trim tabs, and this one also has the fish package, which gives you the rod holders here. We also have underneath this seat a recirculating bait well, dedicated storage for your cooler right here. The cleats are recessed on both sides with hose pipes, which make it very, very easy to tie the boat up. You don't have any chafing, things along that line. She also has a raw water wash down as well as a freshwater wash down. And built in, this is the plug-in right there for your battery charger. So here at the helm, very, very comfortable. You've got fly-by-wire, shifting, digital throttle and shift. Plenty of room here for whatever electronics you want to add. A fully enclosed head. This is a vacuum flush head right here with overboard discharge as well as dockside discharge. Nice headroom as well. Then we come to the front of the boat. It's kind of got a squared off bow to it, so it gives you a little bit more cockpit area up here. We also have a freshwater spigot up here. Plenty of storage underneath all of your seats and the floor as well. And this is probably one of the neatest features on the boat. This can go into several different positions, you know, depending on exactly what you're trying to accomplish. But ultimately, very, very comfortable, very low maintenance, simply because of the design, you know, not a whole lot of carpeting and things along that line. And of course, the hardtop here is an option. So anyways, pretty awesome boat. If you'd like some additional information, feel free to give us a call. Again, my name's Jeremy Bradshaw. The number here at MarineMax Venice is 941-485-3388. Thanks for taking the time. We hope to talk to you soon. Bye-bye.